In this video, I'll show you how to watch DVDs on your Windows laptop. I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1 is to verify DVD drive. Make sure your laptop has a DVD drive built in or connect an external DVD drive via a USB. Step 2. Use the Windows DVD player. Insert DVD and open Windows DVD Player app. This is pre-installed on your Windows laptop, and if it's not, you can search for it on the Microsoft Store. Then choose your DVD drive inside the app to start playback. Step 3, I have an alternative for you, and that is a VLC media player. Download and install the free VLC media player from videolan.org. Insert a DVD, open VLC, then go to Media and Open Disk, and then select your DVD drive and click play. Step 4, there are also other free players you can try. You may also use Pot Player, KMP Player, or 5K Player, which support DVD playback too. You install and open these, then choose your DVD disc or folder to watch your movies. Step 5, some troubleshooting playback issues. Check for region code errors if DVD doesn't play. Ensure your system has the necessary codecs and drivers updated. And that is how you watch DVD movies on your Windows laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Here's a nice picture of my dog because you made it till the end. Thanks for watching, subscribe.